That's no good. Come out, go out wherever you are. Yes. You can see here that the C channel where the rubber slides into is just so corroded. I guess there was no pressure on the rubber holding the glass, and the glass actually just slipped out and this actually dropped to the bottom of the door. Be aware, these parts are sighted. This is for left rear only, left rear. So you don't need a rubber mallet that looks like your nephew's Transformer toys, but it helps. So this actuator has been overextended, so that's not going to work as far as that position, getting it into the track and into its mounting position. So I've got the ignition on there. I don't know if you can see. I'm just going to, on the switch here, just lower the window a wee bit. So I don't know if you can see on the sector gear there, guys, it's in a slightly different position now. I'm hoping that will allow me to drop the window and get the track in position. It's just a matter of fussing with it until you get the sweet spot where the roller can drop into the track. So this is why you don't remove these two screws, guys, just loosen them. That way you can put the actuator in place. I don't know if you can see on the track there. Can you see the roller is in the track? And yeah, I was able to just adjust the actuator position until I could get these two screws into the holes, and then I can drop it into the slot. And as you can see, the two mount bolts. Oh, so sorry. And you can see here the two mount bolts are roughly lined up. So once you have the two fixed bolts in position, just tighten everything up. Try and tighten everything up in the previous witness mark from the fasteners. Yeah, once you've got the actuator in a position that is workable, disconnect the connector again and remove the door card. You don't want to be you don't want to have that powered while your hand is up in there for obvious reasons. So I have the panel again, just for the sake of the switch being in line here, guys. Double check that absolutely everything is out of the door, of course. Double check that the travels look reasonable on the swing of the sector gear on the actuator itself. And yeah, put your safety glasses on the first time you try it, just in case you've made a mistake and you're gonna explode your window. I'm just operating this from the driver's door here, guys, just so you can see it from the outside. In Canada, I don't know about the rest of the world, that is the lower limit. It's a child safety function. And as you can see, the windows traveling nice. Seals are all sitting nice. I think I forgot to show it. Make sure you put the connector back on the actuator, of course. Double check everything. Once everything is in situ, guys, absolutely everything. Who knows where, you know, an errant screw could end up. Once the panel's all in place, I've got to clean the window and the panels, of course, here. All that good. That's it, boys.